All right, so today we have a very different product. Special thanks to this company for sending me their electric ear cleaner with irrigation system. So you can kind of see right here exactly what it is designed to do. Relieve your impacted ear, efficient and safe to clean your ears, minimize the risk of infection, placeable one-time use soft ear tips, no pain and side effects, use warm water at body temperature to clean ears. Not a hole, just got the company logo here, company logo here. This side actually tells you all the steps. Use warm water at body temperature, attach a one-time use ear tip, place the ear basin under the ear for irrigation, move in a smooth circle way to increase the cleaning effects. The blockage is gone and finish ear irrigation. So very nice. Got a little photo of it back here. Got a rechargeable battery, LED and magnifier, 4 pressure levels. It's efficient to clean, safe wash, and hygienic use. So let's open this on up and take a look at it. That's the way it opens. So here's what comes in the box. They've got it all together for you, it looks like. Very nice. So we've got our tips right here. Here's what those look like. So that's the little tips. You got, it looks like 6 of those in there. And then a whole user's guide to tell you everything else you'd need to know. And included USB Type-C cable for charging. And that's it for the box. So as we look at the product here, here's the actual device. So you put your water into this, and then this goes down into here and screws right on. Just like so. And then your charging port is right here on the front. So that's nice and easy to get to. And it looks like you can see, let's see if I hit the, do I got anything? Yeah, we do. So normal, and if you hit the bottom button, that changes the modes: soft, pulse, strong, and normal. And there's the little LED lights and what it sounds like. Interesting. And so you hold the button to turn it on and off. And then this is what you would put underneath your ear that you're seeing here that would catch all the water as it runs out of your ear. So again, special thanks to this company for sending us their electric ear cleaning system. That will do it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.